Welcome guys, so today I am with the latest Samsung Galaxy F13 with the Samsung Exynos 850, and I want to show you a few camera tricks of this phone. So at the first, take a look. We can find few hidden features with this shutter. We can drag it like that and get two shutters. So as you can see, that's how they works. You can also drag it back and then click and hold and drag like that to take series of the photo. You can also click and hold to record the video. When you move your finger to this lock, you don't have to hold it anymore, and you can just record video and also take photos while recording. Another tip will be about the volume buttons that we can find right here. We can take photos while using these buttons. And when you click and hold, we'll also take a series of the photos. When you tap on the zoom feature, you will enable the additional 4 and 10x mode, but you can also pinch screen and get this additional slider. Okay, right now let's move forward and let's change the brightness level. It works also on the other modes like video or portrait mode. When you want to change color and the temperature, just tap right here and take a look. You can adjust strength of the filter by using this slider. To power it off, just go for the original, the first one. Another tip will be right here. We can add delay to our shutter between 2, 5 or 10 seconds. And after this time, the photo will be taken. Okay, and that's all for the Samsung Galaxy F13 camera tricks. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.